Okay, let's walk through creating a trade plan. First topic we want to cover is the fact that you are running a real business. And when you run a real business, there's several things to take into consideration. First of all, what vendors are you going to use? Are you going to use prop firms? Are you going to do a cash account? Are you going to do a combination thereof? Now, I do encourage you to be careful of spreading yourself too thin. Don't get accounts from 3 different prop firms, in my opinion, and try to trade them all. You are increasing the difficulty of the dive. So figure out, do I want a prop firm, take out a cash payment, and then fund my cash account? Do I just want to start with a cash account? Do I actually just want to start with a simulation account and then move to prop firms, then move to cash? Do I want to start with simulation and then move right to cash? Now, when you do the simulation, just to give you a little tip here, set the same risk parameters as you would with your cash account. In other words, in your cash account, if you know, hey, I'm only going to trade up to 3 micros, and if I lose $300 on a day, I'm done. If I lose $500 on the week, I'm done. Make those same risk settings in your simulation account, okay? So what vendors are you going to use, and what combination thereof? What is your plan for progression to getting to a cash account? What are your hours of operation? When should you be trading? The longer you have on the chart, the better you're going to answer that question. In other words, are you a better AM trader than you are a PM trader? Do you trade better on Tuesdays and Thursdays? Do you stink on Fridays? Should you avoid very specific days such as CPI, FOMC, non-farm payroll, option expiration, the day before option expiration, the day after a holiday, a half day? Should you avoid all of those days? It's real tempting to come in and say, hey, I'm just going to see what happens today on non-farm payroll. Well, is that really a smart plan? Should you go ahead and put on your calendar, you know you are going to miss every non-farm payroll for the rest of the year? What about for the rest of the story? Check out the entire video on my YouTube channel.